Yes, so congratulations. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Erica D na dun sa first guesting nyo, di ba, dito sa BSA, sabi niya, the performance of our under-18 team means that we have a rich pool of talent in women's basketball, and perhaps more importantly, we have the system to find this talent and put a team together and maximize their potential. Yan naman ginagawa ng ating mga coaches. So, thank you so much and congratulations once again. Party words nila na Naomi and Ava on behalf of all the girls. Naomi first. Yeah. Baka may mga thank you.
First of all, I just want to say thank you to all the supporters, all the coaches, everyone that's been supporting us from day one. This journey has been super great with this special team. I'm just super proud of what we accomplished and what we continue to do.
Eva.
I'd give a big thanks to the whole team. We were all in this together, all the coaches who believed in us, all the supporters who were behind our back, and especially SVP for tailoring our way to this and always supporting us all throughout.
Yes. Coach Julie.
We will try our very best to keep looking for grassroots program, and we hope you could help us too. Baka meron kayong mga kakilala dyan na would love to join our program, especially pwede natin i-develop ng mga matatangkad. Yes. Thank you again.
Yeah. And Coach Pat.
Again, I'd like to say thank you for inviting us, and hope na in the future, balik kami ng balik dito and give honor to our country. Especially, I'd like to also thank to SPP, President Al, our Executive Director Erica D for supporting us, and other sponsors. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much, and we are always proud of you girls, team, coaches, and we'd like to see you playing more for the Philippines. No? So great day everyone, God bless.
Thank you. One more picture.